How to Retire Early with the FIRE Movement, Step-by-Step Guide. Imagine waking up every day knowing you're financially free. No more 9 to 5. No more waiting till 60 to enjoy life. That's the promise of the FIRE Movement, financial independence, retire early. In this video, we'll break down the exact steps to retire early using the FIRE strategy, from mindset to money moves. If financial freedom is your goal, keep watching. Welcome to Smart Moneymakers, where your money learns to work for you. What is FIRE? FIRE stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. It's a movement that encourages aggressive saving, smart investing, and intentional living, so you can retire decades before traditional retirement age. The goal isn't to sit idle, it's about having the freedom to choose how you spend your time. Step 1. Know your FIRE number. Your FIRE number is the amount of money you need to retire early and never run out. A popular rule is the 25x rule. That means multiply your annual expenses by 25. For example, if your expenses are $30,000 per year, your FIRE number is $750,000. This is based on the 4% safe withdrawal rule. More on that shortly. Step 2. Track your expenses and cut the fat. To reach FIRE, you must know exactly where your money goes. Track every penny you spend. Then, cut down unnecessary expenses, unused subscriptions, dining out, impulse buys. The goal is to save 50% or more of your income. Sounds hard? Many in the FIRE community do it by living below their means and prioritizing freedom over luxury. Step 3. Boost your income. Saving is important, but earning more accelerates the FIRE journey. Pick up a high-paying skill, start a side hustle, freelance, or invest in digital products. Use that extra income to invest, not inflate your lifestyle. Every penny you save and invest brings you closer to your FIRE number. Step 4. Invest smartly. FIRE isn't about hoarding cash, it's about investing it wisely. Focus on low-cost index funds, mutual funds, ETFs, or real estate, depending on your risk profile. The earlier you invest, the more compounding works in your favor. Stick to a long-term strategy. The market will go up and down, but time in the market beats timing the market. Step 5. Use the 4% rule. The 4% rule means you can safely withdraw 4% of your investment portfolio each year in retirement without running out of money. So if your FIRE number is $1 million, you can withdraw $40,000 annually, adjusted for inflation, and live off it. Step 6. Adjust and stay consistent. Life changes. You might switch jobs, have kids, or face emergencies. The key is to adjust but stay consistent. Keep saving, keep investing, and avoid lifestyle inflation. Track your progress every 6 months. Celebrate small wins. Stay connected with the FIRE community online. They're full of support and ideas. FIRE variants. Choose what fits you. There are different types of FIRE. Lean FIRE, retiring on a minimalist lifestyle. Fat FIRE, retiring with a luxury lifestyle. Barista FIRE, quitting your high-stress job but working part-time to cover some expenses. Choose the path that fits your values. FIRE is not one size fits all. Conclusion. FIRE isn't a dream, it's a plan. It takes discipline, strategy, and patience, but the reward is freedom. Whether you want to travel, create, or just slow down, FIRE gives you that choice. Start today, track your money, invest consistently, and design your dream life. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Let's reach financial freedom together. Thank you for watching.